We're here on the 4th floor landing at Collegetown Center. I wanted to show you the proximity of this apartment to the elevator, which is right here, one of the stairwells, and we're going to apartment 429, which is right over here. This is a studio apartment. Let's go on in and take a look. This is a unit number 429. We're entering through the kitchen, and you can see we have the cabinets, the refrigerator, the dishwasher is underneath the sink, and there is the microwave, the stove and oven, and we've got a couple kitchen drawers as well. The bathroom in this unit is directly across from the kitchen. Let's take a look in there. It's the same style bathroom that we see in the apartments here in Collegetown Center. So we have that full-size tub shower with a sliding door, the vanity that does open up underneath for additional storage under the sink, that large mirror, and the nice light over the mirror, the toilet, the towel racks, and there is a small cabinet on the wall for some smaller bathroom items as well. As we go into the apartment, let's take a look. We're going to go past the closet. We'll get that open so we can see inside there. It's a good sized closet. You have a shelf and the hanging space and some good floor space in here in the closet. Let's go into the main part of the apartment. This is an angle style studio apartment on the south side of the building. That means we're away from Dryden Road and the windows form an angle shape. Let's go on in and take a look. Over here to our right, you can see some of the furnishings. We have the dining table and chair. There's the dresser, the tall bookshelf, the desk and chair. I'm gonna turn around so we can see the bed. It's a regular full-size bed. I like the bed in this spot here in these angle style apartments with the wall that has it like this. I feel like that gives you a good amount of open space here in the rest of the apartment. You can see here we've got a lot of space to work with over in the front. You may bring in any of your own additional furnishings that you like as long as you can fit them neatly into the apartment. We often talk about the heaters and not blocking your heaters within the building. So you can see the heater right over here does not have anything in front of it. That means that your heat will be able to circulate freely in the winter. Here's the air conditioner that is under the window. Let's look at this space right here in front of us. That space is the extra space that is just in the angle apartment. So that is a little bit of extra space, that little bump out there. And we have this window which does open, and then this other window that form the angle. They both will have a blind that you can raise or lower for privacy. And let's take a look. You can see another one of those angles just a couple windows down from us. The parking lot below us right here, this is part of the upper Dryden part of the parking lot behind the building. And then this parking lot on this side, right in front of us, that is the College Ave side of the parking lot. Those are both available as an add-on or an extra lease if you would like to rent parking from us. And you can also see College Ave over here. That is facing to the east, and College Avenue is the main intersection with Dryden Road here in our Collegetown neighborhood. From there, we're located just one block to campus. So that's a look at apartment number 429. We're in a south side angle style apartment on the 4th floor of this 6th floor elevator building here at 151 Dryden Road at Collegetown Center.